to the city of justice to cooperate. Oh boy. Don't even have more to go up on the road today. Too much corona business. Okay. We've got kitchen. Hello.
What, girl? You good?
Me there, no girl.
Yes, man. Me there. I pass through your place.
Hey.
Yes, man.
So we are down in my district.
You know, see how a man me come for con deal fit actually deal with some things to me.
Oh.
Yes. Why me see the one Grace? What the way she maga?
Yes, bro. From where they should take off on holy power weight, maga don't bad.
Man, he look horrible, man. He look like a AIDS he have.
So she look like she had AIDS?
Yes.
Tell me no know, sir.
Yes, alone look so me love. Nah, lie.
Such a bad something, me love. Eh?
But I AIDS, me feel so.
Alright then, later.
Alright.
So she's so maga that she look like she have AIDS? No, man. Hold on.
Hello?
Monica,
Yeah.
you know he say Grace have AIDS?
A lie!
Yes.
What you said to me?
Somebody in our community just a tell me. You know, so the girl maga down a AIDS she have.
Oh my God.
Lord have mercy, what a something.
What a something?
Me say,
Oh my.
tell Joyce and the other one them.
Yeah, me go tell them
Yes,
right now. Right now,
alright.
me go tell them.
What's that? Let me send in a WhatsApp family group. Can't believe say a age she have. Man, what a thing. What ya? So you never know? I tell you, master. I don't know. Boy, I'm sorry for you, but I'm glad I know me. I'm glad I know me, master. Can't take the AIDS business. So she a call me back for now. Hello?
Jean, you know you say me just see somebody a
What you
while
say?
ago. Me just see somebody then say no
You
AIDS
just
she
see
have.
somebody and then tell me.
Yes, a sugar.
See, I know AIDS, she have a sugar.
Yes, a sugar she have a no AIDS.
Alright.
Yes, all right.
Lord God, I may just pretty say the girl her AIDS. Heh. I hope they not talk, say me say. Oh.